Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. First, verify power and cable seating because loose connectors are the simplest failure. Once you've secured connections, try the SSD in a different PC or with a USB adapter to confirm the drive itself initializes. Then reboot into BIOS or UEFI using Del or F2. Navigate straight to storage configuration. Make sure NVMe, SATA controller mode, or M2 slot is enabled. This is where the motherboard either exposes or hides attached drives, and toggling settings will often make it appear. Once done with basics, adjust BIOS storage modes. Switch between OSI and RAID because some controllers cloak drives under RAID metadata. Make sure you understand why drivers and OS detection differ by mode. Next, inspect M2 slot lane sharing and ensure the slot isn't disabled when certain PCIe slots are populated. If BIOS lists the SSD but OS does not, reseat the drive, update the motherboard firmware to add NVMe fixes, and boot to disk management to initialize partitions and format as needed. Finish by bringing the drive online in the operating system. Initialize with GPT or MBR, create a partition, and format so the OS mounts it. If the SSD is listed but unstable, run manufacturer diagnostic and firmware update tools. These can recover drive visibility and performance. If none of these steps work, try the SSD in another motherboard to isolate failure, verify warranty status, and contact vendor support. If you run into problems, document LEDs, BIOS messages, and error codes to speed trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.